In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem if your mouse cursor has disappeared and is not visible on your Dell laptop. If moving the touchpad or an external mouse doesn't bring the cursor back, don't worry, you can fix this issue using only your keyboard. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. Now, type touchpad and press Enter to open touchpad settings. If the touchpad is disabled, you'll need to turn it back on. Press the Tab key repeatedly to navigate through the options on the screen. You'll see a highlighted box moving between different settings. Keep pressing Tab until the touchpad toggle is selected. Once the touchpad option is highlighted, press the spacebar to enable it. After turning on the touchpad, move your finger across the touchpad and check whether the cursor appears on the screen. That's it! This is how you can fix a missing mouse cursor on your laptop using only the keyboard.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!